In today's rapidly advancing technological landscape, the integration of artificial intelligence in modern warfare has raised significant concerns about the potential for AI-driven wars. The use of AI technology in military operations has revolutionized the way conflicts are fought, offering unprecedented capabilities and efficiencies. However, with these advancements come a host of ethical, legal, and security implications that cannot be ignored. The significance of AI technology in modern warfare cannot be overstated. AI systems have the ability to process vast amounts of data at speeds far beyond human capacity, enabling quicker decision-making and enhancing strategic planning. From autonomous drones to predictive analytics, AI has the potential to reshape the battlefield and redefine the nature of warfare. Despite its benefits, the rise of AI-driven wars also brings about a myriad of potential risks. Concerns about the lack of human oversight, the potential for unintended consequences, and the vulnerability of AI systems to hacking and manipulation have sparked debates about the ethical implications of autonomous weapons systems. It is crucial to engage in a thought-provoking and informative discussion that explores the implications of this rapidly evolving technology on global security and stability. In this video, we will navigate the intricate landscape of AI-driven warfare and delve into the pressing questions surrounding the future of conflict in the age of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has become a game-changer in modern warfare, revolutionizing military operations and decision-making processes. The integration of AI technology in warfare strategies offers a myriad of advantages that have the potential to transform the battlefield. One of the key advantages of AI integration in warfare is its ability to enhance combat capabilities and efficiency. AI systems can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, providing commanders with valuable insights and predictive analytics to make informed decisions swiftly. This capability not only improves situational awareness, but also enables more precise targeting and operational planning. Moreover, AI can streamline logistical processes, optimize resource allocation, and enhance communication networks, leading to increased operational efficiency and effectiveness on the battlefield. By automating routine tasks and augmenting human decision-making, AI has the potential to revolutionize the way wars are fought. However, concerns regarding the autonomy of AI systems in war scenarios have raised ethical and legal dilemmas. The prospect of autonomous weapons systems making life and death decisions without human intervention has sparked debates about the risks of unintended consequences and the potential for escalation in conflicts. It is crucial to address these concerns and establish clear guidelines for the responsible use of AI in warfare to ensure ethical and accountable decision-making processes. The historical evolution of artificial intelligence, AI applications in military settings, provides valuable insights into the implications of AI in conflicts throughout history. From early experimentation to modern-day advancements, AI technology has played a significant role in shaping warfare outcomes. The use of AI in military settings dates back to the mid-20th century, with early applications focused on data analysis, pattern recognition, and decision support systems. As AI technology evolved, key milestones emerged where AI impacted warfare outcomes significantly. For example, during the Cold War, AI-powered systems were utilized for strategic planning, intelligence gathering, and missile defense, showcasing the potential of AI to enhance military capabilities. However, the utilization of AI in past wars also raised ethical considerations and challenges. The prospect of autonomous weapon systems making critical decisions without human oversight raised concerns about accountability, transparency, and the potential for unintended consequences. The ethical implications of AI utilization in conflicts have sparked debates about the need for clear guidelines and regulations to ensure the responsible and ethical use of AI technology in warfare. By examining the historical context of AI applications in conflicts, we can gain a deeper understanding of the evolution of AI technology in military settings and the ethical considerations that arise from its utilization in past wars. In the current global security landscape, the emergence of AI-driven warfare capabilities poses significant risks and challenges that demand careful consideration and strategic planning. The potential for AI to escalate conflicts and security threats has become a pressing concern for policymakers, military leaders, and experts in the field. AI technologies have the capacity to enhance military capabilities, optimize decision-making processes, and improve operational efficiency. However, the same capabilities that make AI valuable in warfare also introduce vulnerabilities that can be exploited by malicious actors. The reliance on AI systems in military use raises concerns about the susceptibility of these systems to cyber attacks, hacking, and manipulation, potentially compromising national security and strategic interests. Moreover, the challenges of regulating AI technologies in warfare present complex ethical and legal dilemmas. The lack of clear guidelines and international agreements governing the development and use of AI in military settings raises questions about accountability, transparency, and the potential for unintended consequences. Balancing the need for innovation and strategic advantage with the imperative to uphold ethical standards and international norms poses a significant challenge for policymakers and stakeholders in the defense sector. As we navigate the current threat landscape shaped by AI-driven warfare capabilities, it is essential to address these risks, vulnerabilities, and regulatory challenges to ensure the responsible and ethical use of AI technology in military operations. In the future, the widespread adoption of AI-driven warfare presents a myriad of potential scenarios that could reshape the global security landscape. The proliferation of AI in military operations has the capacity to fundamentally alter the dynamics of conflict and power relations among nations. The impact of AI proliferation on global security dynamics is profound, as nations race to develop and deploy AI-powered weapon systems to gain strategic advantage. The emergence of AI arms races raises concerns about the potential for increased tensions, miscalculations, and the destabilization of international relations. The pursuit of AI supremacy in warfare could lead to a new era of competition and conflict, with far-reaching implications for global stability and security. Moreover, the ethical dilemmas posed by autonomous AI weapons loom large on the horizon. The prospect of AI systems making life and death decisions without human intervention raises profound questions about accountability, morality, and the laws of war. The development and deployment of autonomous AI weapons raise concerns about the potential for indiscriminate targeting, civilian casualties, and the erosion of ethical norms in armed conflict. As we contemplate the future implications and scenarios of widespread AI-driven wars, it is imperative to consider the ethical, legal, and strategic challenges that lie ahead, and to engage in thoughtful dialogue and decision-making to navigate this complex and uncertain terrain. In light of the risks and challenges posed by AI-driven conflicts, it is essential to propose measures to mitigate these potential threats and safeguard global security. By implementing strategic mitigation strategies and solutions, we can navigate the complexities of AI in warfare and promote responsible and ethical use of this transformative technology. One key mitigation strategy is to establish frameworks for responsible AI use in military contexts. By developing clear guidelines and regulations governing the development, deployment, and use of AI technologies in warfare, nations can ensure accountability, transparency, and adherence to ethical standards. These frameworks can help mitigate the risks of AI-driven conflicts and promote the responsible and lawful use of AI in military operations. International cooperation efforts to regulate AI in warfare are also crucial in mitigating the risks associated with AI-driven conflicts. By fostering collaboration among nations, sharing best practices, and promoting dialogue on AI governance, the international community can work together to address common challenges and establish norms and standards for the responsible use of AI in warfare. Furthermore, highlighting the importance of ethical guidelines in AI development for peace is essential in mitigating the risks of AI-driven conflicts. By prioritizing ethical considerations, promoting human oversight, and upholding international humanitarian law, nations can ensure that AI technologies are developed and used in a manner that upholds human rights, prevents harm, and promotes peace and security on a global scale. In conclusion, the discussion on the threat of AI-driven wars has shed light on the complex interplay of risks and opportunities that AI technology presents in military contexts. By examining the potential dangers and benefits of AI in warfare, we have gained a deeper understanding of the implications of AI-driven conflicts on global security and stability. The dual nature of AI in warfare highlights the need for informed discussions on AI ethics and security. While AI technologies offer significant advantages in enhancing military capabilities and operational efficiency, they also pose risks, such as the potential for escalation, vulnerabilities to cyber threats, and ethical dilemmas surrounding autonomous weapons systems. As we navigate the evolving landscape of AI-driven wars, it is crucial for stakeholders to engage in thoughtful dialogue, establish clear guidelines for responsible AI use, and prioritize ethical considerations in the development and deployment of AI technologies. By staying informed and actively participating in AI-related debates, viewers can contribute to shaping the future of AI in warfare and promoting a more secure and ethical use of this transformative technology. Let us continue to stay informed, engaged, and proactive in addressing the challenges and opportunities that AI-driven wars present as we strive to navigate this complex terrain with wisdom, foresight, and a commitment to upholding ethical standards and global security. Subscribe now to stay updated on the latest advancements in AI and technology, join our community of tech enthusiasts, and let's collectively strive for ethical and transparent AI integration in defense.